Hello students, so let's start. Today we will continue the syllabus. Chapter 10, Force, Work and Energy. Today we will discuss the following topics. What is work? Energy, forms of energy, heat energy, light energy, electrical energy, sources of energy, food, batteries and fuels. These are the following topics on which we will discuss today. So first one is, what is work? All of you know, in our daily routine, we definitely do something. Sometimes we do rest, sometimes we do some our work. So actually, we want to know here that what is work. In last class, we just studied that push and pull. Both are force. Means when we apply our energy on something and we take it towards our body, that is the pull. And we apply our energy to put something out from our body, that is the push. So in that case, we apply the force on it. By our capacity, we do something on particular thing. So that action is called the work. By the help of this force, when we do any movement on something, any object, that is called work. If we are doing some work, that definitely some change must be in that thing or that object. So particular that activity is called as work. Next is energy. What is energy? You will feel that every day in the morning you will feel yourself very relaxed. And after the whole day, utilizing your schedule to do many work, after that you feel something tired. You need some things to make yourself prepare and get yourself again fulfilled. So energy is actually the ability to do the work. How much work which we can do, that decides our energy. The more energy we have, the more work we can do. So energy is the actually ability by this which help us to do the work. Now forms of energy. Forms of energy means types of energy. We just talked that the energy is the ability to do work. So if we want to do some different type of work, we need some different type of energy. For example, if we talk about walking, we can do it by ourselves. But if we want to run the car, it cannot be done by the help of us. We can sit in the car, but we can't make it move unless the different type of energy utilizes to give the movement to the vehicle. So depending on the work, we need the different type of energy also. So the types of energy, that is the forms of energy. In the forms of energy, the first one is the heat energy. You know, heat energy that help us to keep us warm. The heat energy that give us to warm. So the energy by this we utilizing this property and activity to do some particular type of work. That energy is the heat energy. We utilize this heat energy especially in the cooking. In cooking work, if we want to keep our clothes dry, there the heat energy is utilized to complete that work. Now, light energy. Light energy that help us to make us see. If we are looking something, if we are able to see something, if we are we can identify something, that is because of the light energy. And the plants are utilizing this light energy to make the food for them. And we are utilizing that food for us also. Next is the electrical energy. Electrical energy that helps on electricity, that provides us electricity to utilize it as energy for our world. That is the electrical energy. Now sources of energy. Sources of energy from which we are getting energy to do our work. That are the sources of energy. Here the food, batteries and fuels. These are the things, these are the sources from which we are getting the energy to complete our work. You know that food which we eat, which all the living things utilize to keep themselves, get the energy for do the work. You know batteries that has the power to generate the electricity by which the people do the different type of works. And the fuels that can be burned to generate the energy. So students, these are all the topic for today. All of you watch the video.